Hey guys, so we're back with another money-making idea for you today. We're going to be talking about 2 legit websites plus a bonus one, also legit, that will allow you to earn some extra money on the side without any skill or much effort required. Make sure you stay tuned for the entire video so you can get started on this right away. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. So the first website I wanted to tell you about is called Cashkick.com. It's a legit GPT or get paid to site that will pay you in cash through a PayPal account. It says on their website, we'll pay you in cash for all the fun things you're already doing online. And if you want to see what exactly they will pay you to do and for how much, well, you can sign up for a free account and log in. Once you do, you'll be able to access the dashboard and what's called their offer wall so you can see which tasks you want to perform. There's really something for everyone on here. So as you can see, you can choose how you want to make money by answering surveys, shopping, surfing the web, or watching videos. All of these can now be monetized. And the great thing about Cashkick is that the payout threshold is really low. It's at only $10 and you can withdraw your money anytime should you have that amount in your account. The thing about Cashkick is that because there are so many tasks that you can choose from, not everything will pay you the same amount. There will be some tasks that will be more worth your while, so you want to make sure you browse and choose according to your preference. What I appreciate about Cashkick is that it's very user-friendly. As you browse their website, you'll see exactly how much you'll get paid for your work, like so. For surveys in particular, they even specify the average time that it would take you to complete one and how many spots are left. So with this kind of information, you can prioritize which surveys you want to take first. For example, you want to prioritize the one with only 3 spots left over the ones with over 1,000. Besides surveys, there are some really easy tasks on Cashkick that I've tried out myself, wherein you get paid to sign up for a free trial. And while that's great and really easy to do, you want to be careful and take note that if you don't cancel the membership after the free trial period expires, your account could be charged. So do pay attention to things like that so you can be earning on this website and not the other way around. Don't worry, Cashkick is really upfront about all this fine print, so as long as you do take the time to read, you should be fine. Another way that you can earn on Cashkick is through a referral link. This isn't necessary, but if you have family or friends who are into surveys or performing tasks online anyway, then it's a great way to earn just a little bit of extra cash. So every time your friend earns on Cashkick, you get 25% of that amount. And you don't have to worry because that amount will not be deducted from your friend's account. Instead, it will be like a top-up or a bonus for you because you referred someone to the platform. One last thing I wanted to tackle before we move on is that Cashkick can be accessed through your smartphone or mobile device. You don't need a laptop to do this. While they don't have their own app, you can still perform tasks on any web browser. And unfortunately, Cashkick is only available for users in the US, so if you're not from here, don't worry, we'll have you covered in the next site that we'll be talking about. So the second get paid to website that I wanted to share with you is called Instagc.com. And as you can probably tell from its name, Instagc, you can instantly receive digital gift cards when you complete certain tasks on their site. Despite its name, cash via your PayPal account can also be redeemed. So this is perfect for people like myself who do prefer cash. Once you create and log into your Instagc account, you'll be able to see all the tabs and the different earning opportunities on their offer wall. And similar to the first website, Cashkick, the online activities that you get to do here would be answering surveys, watching videos, shopping online, surfing the web, etc. Apart from those, you can also download apps and programs and play games, perform figure-8 tasks, which if you don't know are essentially small online jobs that anyone can perform to get paid a little bit of money. Again, there's something for everyone. So while some people find it therapeutic answering surveys, for example, others do find it boring. I personally enjoy watching videos, so that's what I spend my time doing on Instagc. So I suggest that you go look for something that's okay with you find fun, and then you go make money off of it. Please note though that while Instagc is available worldwide, not all countries will have access to the same tasks. I won't be able to exactly tell you what that is for you because the current opportunities for the US may be different from the ones available in your country. So I suggest that you sign up and take a look. Before I reveal the bonus website that I promised, I wanted to tell you about my favorite thing about Instagc, and it's the weekly bonus that they offer. Basically, you get a percentage of your weekly earnings as a top-up to the amount that's already credited to your account. So if you're an active Instag user, this is actually an excellent way to be paid extra for the tasks that you already performed. So now it's time for the bonus I promised you. It's actually a website called askwonder.com, and this platform will pay you around 15 to 20 times more than the first two we talked about. Well, it's also because the tasks that you'll need to perform on askwonder.com will be more complex, but it might be worth your time, and I've personally earned a pretty penny just doing this in my spare time. So let's talk a little more about that now. Ask Wonder is a website that companies and individuals get to do some research for them. And in turn, Wonder works with a pool of freelance research analysts who help them answer both simple and complex questions about anything and everything. This could be something as simple as who is the highest paid BTS member, to something more serious like COVID-19's impact on China's GDP and trade. Their selling point for researchers who work with them is that they get to earn while they learn. And if you think you need to have graduated from an Ivy League university to apply for this position, then think again. There are no special skills or expensive software required. All you need to do to get this to work is Google, the patience to do the research and cite credible sources, and some basic writing skills that you can use to synthesize the information that you've gathered to create an accurate but concise brief. On this platform, you can make up to $35 per answer. With that said, I do hope that you take action today and sign up for at least one, if not all of the sites that we talked about so you can get started making money online right now. If you enjoyed today's content or found any value in it, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and all of that good stuff because it really supports our channel. We also have a lot more content that you can binge watch, and I'll be leaving links to those for you right here. Alright then, take care, and I'll see you again next time.